sommes au campus WPP France et Intuit Lab y organise le Design Next. Design Next, c'est la grande rencontre annuelle des étudiants de master de direction artistique d'Intuit Lab avec le milieu professionnel et notamment les recruteurs en vue d'embauche pour des contrats d'apprentissage l'année prochaine. À Intuit Lab, nous avons cette particularité de nous atteler à faire émerger les créativités individuelles de chacun via un process qu'on appelle le personal branding. Donc c'est à l'issue d'échanges et d'un travail approfondi qui a eu lieu tout au long de l'année avec les enseignants que les étudiants arrivent à un portfolio et à un projet professionnel dont ces planches sont la représentation. Tu as déjà fait des BD?
Oui, j'ai réalisé plusieurs. J'ai réalisé un one-shot. Je suis spécialisé en illustration.
Ouais.
Donc plus tard, je voudrais faire de la bande dessinée ou vraiment de l'illustration. Après, j'essaie de mettre en situation les personnages pour que ça soit dynamique et donner du rythme dans les planches. Mes inspirations, c'est plus BD franco-belge, comics. Et après, j'aime aussi faire du branding, créer des logos.
Alors j'ai voulu mettre en avant la typographie, l'édition, la mise en page, mais aussi l'aspect digital avec une page avec un compte Instagram et réseaux sociaux. Cette illustration m'a servi de couverture pour mon portfolio et elle me représente assez bien.
The really cool bit about this, it's year one for the International Masters. So we've arrived at a bit of an end of a cycle, which is pretty moving. We're all going to cry, aren't we, at the end? So this is excellent, which means we've got 30 people through their first year. And now the whole role of this big shebang, this show that we're putting on, is to get everybody into work experience programs. What's your cam, Claire?
So I love doing many things. I like approaching problems from different angles. I like working with my hands, so cutting, pasting, painting, chopping up, reworking. I love that, playing around with stuff, as you can see. And yeah.
So the handcrafting for you?
The handcrafting, yes.
Part of the process?
I love it, yeah. For animation and still images, everything. It's so cool. Whenever our friends come to visit, we're walking around the city and we're like, our teacher worked on that, and we're pointing to like the Olympic signs, or we're like pointing at Cathay, we're like, our other teacher worked on that, and it's so cool. It's like the people we get to study under have like literally designed the city that we're walking around.
I'd really like to have a chat with is Amina. Why does Amina sort of make me go, it's Amina? It's because Amina loves design as a social good. Yeah. I think that's probably the best way to sort of make that into a big ball.
I've kind of done more since I've been here because I've had the freedom to do more.
Okay.
Like projects where I can be more conceptual, I can do more research, I can dig deep because we have the time to do that.
Okay.
And then I can think of different ways to craft rather than just digitally.
As being Paris is your new home, what's your top tip for people that will come here?
Go for lots of walks. That's my top tip. I love going for walks, and I found that I fell in love with Paris while going for all of my nightly walks.
third person I'd like to have a bit of a chit-chat to introduce you to is Jenny. As we already said, good day. Everybody knows that Jenny is Australian. Correct me if I'm wrong, 8 years in interior architecture, which is really cool because it means we're bringing in different know-hows, different thought processes, different ways of looking at design. How have you found this year as a transition?
I think before I started school, I was always very curious about visual communication because I love this idea of combining like form with content in a graphical way. It was a deep dive.
Okay.
With this semester ending, it has been the most challenging, but yet extremely rewarding.
And the day you came in with this stuff and you had a smile like from there to there, ear to ear, and you said, I've got it.
Yeah.
You know, I've got the solution, I've got the way I want to go. What's your top tip?
I would say speak as much French as possible.
Okay.
Like just speak knowing that you're going to make thousands of mistakes.
Of course, yeah.
And then people will speak English to you.
Nous avons 14 nationalités qui sont représentées. Ce sont des étudiants donc déjà titulaires d'une formation en design graphique qu'ils ont suivi à Intuit Lab ou ailleurs et qui sont entrés dans notre master pour poursuivre leurs études.